Hi, you guys. Brandon with Steprock Media. I'm working on a new voiceover demo reel, and I thought I would take you along and show you what I'm doing and what I'm thinking about. In essence, what I am thinking about is that I need to do a demo that shows my core voice, my core sound, what I really have on offer, and make sure that you hear that at the beginning. One of my other demos, I think I had some weird character voice or something else, and it really, to me, I'm like, that's not what I want to start with. I really want to start with my core sound, and that's what you're hearing right now. I can do a bunch of character voices, and I do want to do some character voices in here. Some people say, don't do that, don't do accents or whatever. Frankly, I don't care. That's who I am. I know who I am, and I encourage you to know who you are and what you want to offer. I don't want to offer me reading you scripts about car sales all the time. I'm not interested in doing it. I do like to do crazy voices and stuff, so that's my demo. That's me. At a real heart, though, I know that I can come off as sincere, and I can come off as somebody who's going to tell you something that's really important information, something that may be a little bit more difficult to absorb, that I can move through the emotions, and we can even go all the way up to being excited about something that we're talking about. But even if I'm talking with this high level of energy, it's still my voice. I'm not going into a character to do that. I'm not faking the big radio guy, and I'm certainly not doing radio voice. Okay? You're going to be you. When people are clicking through and listening, they want to know if you fit a profile. That means you've got 5 seconds, okay? You've got 5 seconds at the start. If you don't fit the profile, they're on to something else, okay? If they're listening for that deep, growly, barrel voice, then you're not it. They're clicking on to something else. If they're looking for, hey, I just want a normal, sincere, maybe somebody sounds 30s, maybe 40s. Hey, guess what? They might stop and listen to me if I sound like that. And now they're going to listen for the full 10 seconds of the beginning, okay? If they like that first 10 seconds that they're hearing, they're going to keep on listening. But the entire demo, start to finish, is going to be 1 minute. And I'm going to try to pack in several different cuts to show some range of what I can do, but I'm not going to go cut, 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 cut. They need to actually have a second to absorb what I sound like and to find out, do I want to hear more? Does this guy offer more of that, or is he going to go to something else? They're forming an opinion of you, okay? Their opinion is, you sound like you are excited, you sound youthful, you sound hyperactive, energetic, and when I keep listening to cut after cut after cut from you, and you sound youthful, hyper, energetic, crazy, manic energy kind of a level, well, great. That's what I was looking for. But on the other hand, if you just switch too much, too radically, and you never have this kind of middle ground area that's you, they're not going to get a sense about what they're really going to get when they hire you. So this is your first round of an audition. If they like something on this, it might be cut 3 of your demo. They might get with you and say, hey, can I hear a demo that sounds like that from your reel? I want you to read this copy for me. And you'll have a chance to come back. But in your demo reel, it's this balance of keep it short and concise, give them a range of what you can do, but keep it within your sweet spot. Don't try to audition for something that you can't do. Okay? That's important. I'm not going to audition for me doing a deep, gravelly voice, because even if I pulled it off, it would hurt my voice trying to do it for an entire script. Why would I do that? Okay? I'm not going to do that. So what I'm doing right now is writing a few quick cuts, a few quick scripts. These are mine. I'm just making stuff up here, okay? Write your own, or go find them on the internet, or just talk about something from your local area. But in this one, I say, it's always a good day for family fun at Boondocks. Laser tag, go-karts, bowling, okay? That's kind of my thing. It's still me. I just shifted to a little bit more energetic side. And I'm also not going to be recording it on a snowball mic. I'm going to use my proper mic. Let's get on with it. All right, so we are back over here. I am going to get Adobe Audition going. I already did one cut of my script, so I'm going to do another cut here just for the sake of being on camera while doing it, or at least my screen is on camera and my fingers. I'm going to hit record here. Check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure I'm getting a level off the mic. I'm going to grab my script that I wrote for myself, and we'll start at the start. It's always a good day for family fun at Boondocks. Laser tag, go-karts, bowling, arcade games, and fresh hot pizza. Great memories start here. Ooh, I like that one. I can tell I like that one. I might pause and do a playback for myself. As a matter of fact, I got some of the room noise hit at the beginning, which is just silence that you want to use to edit out any garbage that you hear in the background. The room is pretty quiet, but I might want to find and replace on just dead air. Let's go ahead and skip to the end of this track. I'll delete out that bit there. We are just doing some live work right now. I'm going to start recording again and we'll do the script again. It's always a good day for If I don't like the cut, I'll do this. And I'll see 3 pips on screen after I snap to the mic. It's always a good day for family fun at Boondocks. Laser tag, go-karts, bowling, arcade games, and fresh hot pizza. Great memories start here. I kind of like that because I felt like I was a little more emotional and I was smiling and I was interacting. So get acting when you're doing this. All right, now we're going to get ridiculous and silly. You ready? The high seas are calling me once again, and I must answer the call. Oh, come on, keep it together. I'm just buying a boat. Buying a boat? You mean seizing your destiny. Okay, the sales guy is definitely starting to look at me funny, and I love it. Okay, that was ridiculous. I'm going to do the playback on that one. That was bizarre. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, that'll work. I'm just going to keep going. We're going to roll with it. We're in the zone. We're going to keep on rolling. Now an emotional shift here in the script. All right, get myself ready. This is acting, it's voice acting, so you have to act. So let's get ready to act. It was the diagnosis you never thought you'd hear. After the shock wore off, you knew you'd need help. That's where we come in. We are the cancer specialists of Flagstone Medical, and we're with you every step of the way. I don't know. Let's play it back. Let's play it back. That's what you do. This is how you do it. Okay, I'm criticizing myself too hard. That was fine. You be quiet. Stop criticizing yourself. That's good advice. Stop criticizing yourself. Hit record again. Make sure I'm... Do it again. Do it different. Do it the same. Get yourself closer to the mic for this kind of thing. It was the diagnosis you never thought you'd hear. After the shock wore off, you knew you'd need help. That's where we come in. We are the cancer specialists of Flagstone Medical, and we're with you every step of the way. So for that cut, I want to show an emotional difference in what I'm doing, but even in the cut itself, I start off really down and serious and sympathetic, but very serious, and then get a little bit more upbeat towards the end of it. So make sure that you're getting that range. The first time you log in, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. After you verify via email, your credentials will be saved for future visits. Next, let's click on the Profile button and set up our basic information. I'm not sure I want to include this one in my cut just because it's a different kind of a thing. It's an instructional type thing, but I do this, so I kind of want to include it, but it's more of a commercials demo. But anyway, I'm recording it, so I'll record it, I'll keep it, not keep it. All right, one more commercial. I'm a simple man. When I see a sign that says Rib Fest $9.99, well, I slam on the brakes. Smoky flavors, dripping barbecue sauce, well, it's almost worth the damage to my car's bumper. Not bad. I think I messed up the script a little bit, but it's my script, so I don't care. If it was a client-provided one, I'd have to get it right. I don't like the way that last line goes. It's almost worth the damage to my car's bumper. Yeah, that's better. Well, it's almost worth the damage to my car's bumper. All right, I think I've done just about enough on camera. And for this recording session, next one I'm going to go through is cut. Cut out what I want, what I don't want. I've got 2 different takes here. Make sure to save my work. Cut out the crap that I don't want. Make sure to keep the stuff I do. I might add in some more audio in the background, some musical kind of stuff, sound effects, and get this thing cut down to the 1 minute. Hey guys, Brandon back here again after a couple of days of doing those cuts that I'd mentioned in the last video. Didn't do a whole ton of post-processing here at the end of the day. I'm literally just trimming out bits, like for example, I'll get, half from one, half from another, add some background noise and things to kind of fill the whole thing out and give a better sense about what a completed audio track might sound like. That's to give a client, maybe you're a potential client, give a potential client out there an idea of what you're going to sound like, fully produced. So
Fresh hot pizza. Great memories start here.
So you can't even tell there's a difference. I just cut the 2 different takes. That's why I do multiple takes of anything, so that you have something to cut to. I like that one, but not that one. One of the things I actually enjoyed, I thought was a lot of fun. This one here.
Oh man, when I see a sign that says Rib Fest,
I wound up adding a little sizzling noise,
smoky flavors and dripping barbecue sauce. Well,
so that's about as complicated as I get on that. There's a sizzling noise. There's a sound of a truck backing up here.
car's bumper.
And there's a little bit of music here, making sure that you have proper rights to all the music. This is going to be a YouTube-based video, so I got the ones on a YouTube thing. So this particular demo that you're seeing right now on screen being edited is actually living on YouTube right now on my channel. If you want to hear that final project. But yeah, if you have any ability to do the recording and do the cuts, I would say, don't overthink it. A lot of people are saying, oh, well, you have to get into the studio and spend all this time and get all this, high-end engineering. And all I can say to that is, all right, so you go through all that trouble and do all that engineering, and then you can't actually deliver that to a client. What's the point? Okay, what's the point? I want to do a recording and do some audio engineering and different things and let you know what I can actually deliver to you. This is a calling card of what I sound like and what I can actually produce. So if you're a voice actor out there and you're thinking, boy, I got to go through all this stuff, man, don't kill yourself here. Do the work, but do the work that you're able to do. Don't set yourself some lofty goal of, here's a project that I can't actually accomplish, and so I'm going to put all these roadblocks in front of myself to where I can't actually get anything done, okay? Serious heart-to-heart here at the end. I know we're getting deep, aren't we? So get the microphone, make sure you've got a good mic, good space to record, do your best, do a little bit of audio engineering at the end of it to make sure that you have a good project and something good to show what you actually sound like. But anyway, I'll have a snippet of this on here, but you can hear the entire track on the website here on YouTube as well. But anyway, that's about it for right now. I appreciate you watching through all this, and I hope it's been helpful to you. If I can answer any questions out there, I will surely do it. If you have any voice projects that you'd like me to possibly work on for you, I'm not going to say no. So anyway, give me a comment down below. We'll see if we can do some business together. Also, go check out steprockmedia.com. Thanks a lot, everybody. I've rattled on long enough. Bye now.
It's always a good day for family fun at Boondocks. The seas are a-calling me, and I must answer the call.
It was the diagnosis you never thought you'd hear. After the shock wore off, you knew you'd need help.
I'm a simple man. When I see a sign that says Rib Fest $9.99, well, I slam on the brakes.